Okay, so I was browsing around on YouTube the other day and nobody's got any 0 to 60 videos yet of the 450L, so I figured I've got one. Somebody's got to post a video. The problem is here is my bike's not stock. And so what I've got on my bike is I've got the Vortex ECU in here, and I changed out the stock exhaust. That's good for about 8 horsepower over stock. Now, in a previous video I did, I modded the muffler on here and kind of made a quieter spark arrestor for it. And so because I did that, I've tuned down the Vortex probably 5% on the fueling. So I'm running 3s across the board. I do believe there is power gains to be done by me going through here and fine tuning this bike. I just haven't gotten around to it. But the biggest problem with the 0 to 60 times I was trying to do is it was all rider based because I couldn't keep the front end down. I honestly wish I had hole shot devices on this bike if I was going to be doing stuff like this all the time. Hole shot devices would let you compress the suspension down, keep the weight forward, and that's why they use them on pro supercross and motocross bikes. Put in like 4 or 5 runs that we'll put up on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ride up on the screen, but what I'll do is what I'll try to figure out is I'll look at the timer of when I take off and when the speedometer is showing 60, and we'll see what that gap is so I can give you time. The other thing I want to comment on here real quick, the speedometer sensor on here, I think it's almost like a magnetic sensor, because when you're accelerating very quickly, the miles per hour on the gauge isn't going up smoothly like a gear driven one. It's going up in like chunks. Okay, so I know you guys want me to quit talking and just get to the video, but if you've got a stock 450L and you go throw up a time, a 0 to 60, shoot me a message and I'll just kind of start stacking links in the description as people send them, so it's a kind of a one-stop shop for people's different videos. But for now, let's see what I got.